Yes. Good morning, friends. Now this one sum. CBSE Standard 10th Standard, Chapter 8, Trigonometry. The sum is found in page number 133-34. Sorry, 193-94. Exercise 8.4, sum number 5. 193 and 94. Sum is found in that page number. Exercise 8.4, sum number 5. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Yes. So now we will do it. Solution. Yes. And now we take left hand side. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to this cot theta is replaced by 1 by tan theta. This cot theta also replaced by 1 by tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Now we simplify this. Denominator is 1 minus tan theta. Here is tan theta. The denominator tan theta will go numerator. Denominator will go to numerator. Already here is 1 tan theta. Now this is denominator tan theta will go to here numerator. That is totally tan square theta. Here is now 1 minus tan theta by 1 by tan theta here now. So now denominator is, yes. So this is tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1. Yes, tan theta minus 1 by tan theta will go here. Now the denominator is tan theta minus 1, here is 1 minus tan theta. Now this is we change it according to this. So this will become tan theta minus 1. So here this sign will be changed. Tan theta minus 1. Here is tan square theta. This will become minus 1 by tan theta. If you change this, the sign will be changed. Again, now this tan theta we multiply here. Tan cube theta minus 1. This tan theta will come down. Tan theta into tan theta minus 1. This is one formula, A cube minus B cube formula. A cube minus B cube is A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. A cube minus B cube is A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. So this is tan cube theta minus 1 cube. This is, we apply the formula first A minus B. Tan theta minus 1 whole cube plus 3AB, 3 into tan theta into 1. 3AB into A minus B. Tan theta minus 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Here tan theta minus 1 is common. Now we take it outside. Tan theta minus 1 is common. We take it outside. So remaining here is tan theta minus 1 whole square plus 3 tan theta by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. This tan theta minus 1, this is cancelled now. So numerator is tan theta minus 1 square. This is apply A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So we apply here now tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 plus 3 tan theta by tan theta. So this is, we simplify this, minus 2 tan theta plus 3 tan theta. This is tan square theta, this is plus tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. Yes. Now we combine this 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is one formula, secant square theta. 1 plus tan, this we take this and this. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta plus tan theta by tan theta, we make it tan theta here. Here also we take it tan theta. Here we combine these two. 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is secant square theta. So these two terms will become one term as a secant square theta plus this tan theta here. By tan theta we make it separate. This tan theta cancel. This is secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta plus 1. This cos theta cancel. Here is 1 by cos. 1 by cos is secant theta into 1 by sin is cosecant theta plus 1. So this is right hand side. So here we apply the formula a cube minus b cube formula. Here a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Tan theta minus 1 is common. Now we take it outside. That is cancelled with the denominator term. Numerator apply a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 square is 1 plus 3 tan theta, this term. So minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 tan theta. This is, now we take these two and simplify, we get this. And 1 plus tan square theta, these two we combine. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta, that is here. This tan theta is here. Now this we make to two terms. We make it separately. Here tan theta, here also tan theta. This tan theta cancel. Secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta. This is 1 by cos square theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. This is 1. So remaining for this one, secant square is 1 by cos square. The denominator tan is sin by cos. Cos 1 cancel. This is 1 by cos is secant. 1 by sin is cosecant theta. So this is proved right hand side. Thank you for watching this video.